When you're ready to export, make sure you bring the focus over here to your timeline. Just scrub through it really quickly and see the blue focus there. It's possible to accidentally export 12 hours of a single image if you're not careful. Now I like to use File, Export Media. But with the new version, you can also see there's an export button that some of you have clicked on by accident, and it brings up essentially the same thing. We'll start off by changing the name. Master.mp4 is not a good name for a video. 221010 is the date code for today. Always start with that, as you'll be exporting more than one version likely. My favorite things and your name. And then we like to put VBR16. That is the variable bitrate. That's how much data we're going to use for our YouTube version. And I got that by going to the preset for YouTube. Right here it says high quality. We're actually going to click the drop down menu and go and look for more presets. There are quite a few of them. You can do a search, just type YOU in there and you'll see YouTube 1080p full HD. Premiere thinks that the best bit rate is going to be 16 megabits per second. So we're going to select that and click OK. You can see all the numbers here. See the starting size and then what it's going to create. We're going to send to Media Encoder. If we click export, our computer is going to be tied up. But if we send it to Media Encoder, it's going to open up a second program, and that's going to take care of the encoding while you can go back and keep working on your Premiere project. It also keeps a record of what's been exported, which can be extremely handy. It'll take just a moment for the job to show up. It'll be listed right up here in the queue. What this means is you could add several projects to the queue and then have it render all at the same time, one after the other. So we're going to go ahead and click on the play button here. And notice where it's exporting to. We could have decided that was someplace else. We're going to try just exporting it to the same OneDrive folder where our project is. If you do this right at the end of the class period, it may not get synchronized, but notice the green line going across the Media Encoder there. You can keep an eye on how things are going, but you could also see the preview that was running there. Now that we have the video, you can actually click right here if you don't know exactly where you put it, but it should be in the same place, the video of My Favorite Things right here. So you can see the video file that it made, you can check it, you can upload it to YouTube, you'll be able to turn it in, all the things you need to do.